it's up past this street and up on the right. Just over here.
Oh, I saw a balloon.
Yeah, I did.
There we go.
Yeah. Where? Oh, right there. I was like, what? I was looking there. A lot of these yards don't have any landscaping.
Yeah, how am I doing for...
Oh.
I'm going to change battery.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
This is vintage.
It is vintage.
Do we want that?
Sure.
Yeah, let's get that.
I prefer these over the new ones.
Yeah.
Using the vintage.
It's taller.
Yeah.
This is a little bit shorter and wider.
Yeah. Yeah, neat.
Mm-hmm. Well, I wondered if there'd be some vintage things because... Oh, it's plastic.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. Oh my God. It's like you're not touching anything. It's so soft. Okay, let me hold that and I'll get a quarter out.
Thank you.
And pour it out. Just try it out, see if it works.
See if it works?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Glass bake. Cool.
I do a lot of...
Know anybody that has a dog that would want those tennis balls?
Right on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still make my beef jerky and I do my smoking marinades and I measure out, my liquids and stuff when I'm making my marinades.
Needs a bath.
It's cool to have a nice vintage one to use.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Whoa. You just about elbowed me in the face.
Oh, did I?
Yeah. Drove all the way out here for a measuring cup. This one is a moving sale, and today is the first day and it's on tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, so your next left here. Yeah. And it's on my side, should be right close to the corner here.
Okay. Yep, there it is.
Okay.
So I can't park here.
No, is it in the alley? Oh yeah, I see balloons, but I don't know that you can park back there. Oh, it's just could have just
Park right here.
okay.
Whoa, there's the curb. Got it.
Good thing that was paid off, because those tires are going to be expensive.
Hey, I'm working on a next season's blooper reel. Okay, let's go see what they got.
Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, these shells sell good if they're a good price. $5.
That's nice.
They're all nice.
Yeah. You'd probably get a deal if you bought them all.
I don't want to pay. What? I don't know what's happening. Oh yeah, this one's 5. So there's 15.
How much do they want for that big pot? Oh, 20 for that
50.
big one.
Yeah, we'll see what they want. If I bought them all. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, Planet Fitness. Ah, see, this is what this is for. Holding your clothes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I thought.
It's the proper usage.
Yep. Well, it must be because that's what everybody uses it for. Oh, and a little one, yeah. Oh, it's part of.
Oh yeah, right. I see.
Yeah, so it was.
Did you get rid of that though?
It's plastic, so see, it's broke on that
okay.
side. So probably know that. The Game of Thrones?
Game of Thrones, yes.
So this one, I don't know. It needs some glue. Oops, maybe I have
That
to.
one's separated there, hey?
Yeah.
Can you even get it back? You can probably clamp it back.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, because it needs some.
But that could be something you point out to when you're trying to deal on the price.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I'm not sure what I can get for them.
Oh, really?
Probably 10 each, but I'm not sure. Just not sure. I guess I have to. Could you do a deal if I bought all the little shelves?
How much were you thinking?
Well, there's no price on the big one. I didn't know. And then the other ones were $5.
How many is there?
There's 3 little ones and then the larger one.
We'd probably give you 15 for all 4.
For all 4?
The big one's got a big crack right down the middle of it.
Oh yeah? Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, there's jewelry here I didn't see.
Maybe we'll go pick up your shelves before someone else tries to buy them now.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's a good deal.
Yeah, I hope you can make a couple bucks.
Yeah.
This one's got a little chip out of it.
Yeah, I'll sell
can
those
probably-
2 as a pair. This one's different.
Paint on that and cover that up.
Yeah.
That big one,
Yeah.
it's actually got wood on it. The rest of these are just plastic. But
Yeah, it doesn't matter though. These are the Sirocco.
yeah, hopefully you can fix that and
I think I have to unscrew it. That's what's keeping it apart.
sell these and
Yeah.
make a little money.
Yep.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think the screw is holding the wood away from each other.
Yeah. So I'll take that screw out and.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Next one.
On to the next.
Yeah.